Hello and welcome to Prime News. First a look at the headlines. Aronda jetty construction leads to scuffle between local and jetty promoters. TEREKHOL river will be devastated. Villages will be destroyed, says local. $64 working mining leases may be put for auction. Mining department renews 29 leases out of 54. Transport department collects 145 crores, mining says. Louison Filero and Vijay Sardesai hint at reunion. Louison's Congress revamping looks promising, says Vijay. Louison calls Vijay's Congress view realistic. High Court questions Goa government over shortage of medicines at GMC. Health Minister says GMC overburdened. Medicine tender process messed up. And Sporting Club de Goa overcome East Bengal to almost assure Federation Cup semi-final berth. Victorino Fernandez scores fantastic hat-trick. And now the news in detail. Villagers have waged a war against jetty construction on the banks of TEREKHOL river. Agitated locals barged at the construction site and agitated demanding justice. Goan fishermen and Maharashtra locals both are opposing this jetty. Jetty promoters stoned the mob. As a token of protest, Aronda market was kept shut on Tuesday. People fear that Aronda jetty will spell doom for Keri and Palyam.
Aronda jetty construction has fumed locals, fishermen and farmers staying in the vicinity. Angry mob held demonstrations against government officers visiting the jetty for inspection. Situation turned volatile when jetty promoters started pelting stones at agitators. People ransacked the jetty in retaliation.
या अरुंदा जेटीमुळे जवळजवळ 350 मच्छीमारांची कुटुंब उद्ध्वस्त होण्याच्या मार्गावर आहेत आणि या जेटीमुळे पुन्हा प्रदूषण होणार आहे. शाळकरी छोट्या मुलांना पण त्रास होणार आहे. त्याचा कोळशाची वाहतूक केल्यामुळे पूर्ण प्रदूषण होणार आहे. त्यानंतर माड बागायती आजूबाजूला असलेली उद्ध्वस्त होण्याच्या मार्गावर, कारण पर्यटन दृष्टीने हानिकारक असा हा प्रकल्प आहे, तो होऊ नये अशी संपूर्ण अरुंदा गावाची मागणी आहे. त्याचप्रमाणे अरुंदा सार्वजनिक गणपतीच्या उत्सवात हजारो भाविक सामील होतात. ती गणपती विसर्जनाची वाट पण बंद केलेली आहे, ती पूर्ववत करावी. संपूर्ण अरुंदा ग्रामस्थांची मागणी आहे आणि न केल्यास पुन्हा संघर्ष पेटून उठेल.
Maharashtra government is forcing the jetty project despite of staunch opposition of locals. Aronda market was shut down as a protest on Tuesday.
आज निषेध म्हणून आणि काल बायकांना जेटी विरोधात मारहाण झालेली आहे. बळाचा वापर केला सत्तेत असल्यामुळे, त्यामुळे मारहाण झालेली आहे बायकांना आणि त्यामुळे निषेध म्हणून आज पूर्ण बाजारपेठ बंद ठेवण्यात आलेली आहे.
Goans and Maharashtrians residing in the vicinity fear that Aronda jetty will devastate TEREKHOL river. Locals' prime fear is Keri, Palye and TEREKHOL villages will be destroyed if mega vessel starts plying in TEREKHOL river. Vilas Arolkar from Keri.
64 working mining leases might be auctioned by the government if the leaseholders do not approach Mines Department for renewal. Mines Department has considered 54 mining leases for renewal. Till now, the department has renewed 29 leases. Sources inform that individual leaseholder may lose their lease if they do not approach the Mines Department before auction rules come into force. Union Cabinet has approved amendments in Mines and Minerals Development Regulation Act. The proposed changes were made to auction the mineral resources to fetch more revenue. Goa government has initiated the renewal process of mining leases. Sources from Mines Department has informed that nearly 118 mining leases were working, out of which only 54 leaseholders have approached for second renewal. Government may auction remaining 64 leases the moment amendment in the MMDR Act are gazetted. Mines Department has already signed 29 lease deeds and another 25 leases are under renewal process. Recently, government has renewed 8 leases, 2 lease deeds of Bandekar brothers and NS Narvekar and each one of Seza Chogule, VM Sargaonkar, GN Agarwal. Sources said lease is transferred by the Dempo Group to Seza Goa, which have already paid stamp duty, will not be renewed. Meanwhile, Supreme Court appointed capping committee has landed in Goa. Committee will remain in state from 7 to 13 January. Sources from Transport Department informed that department has collected pending transport cess from mining leaseholders which run to the tune of 145 crore rupees. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent. Vijay and Luisin Falero's political tuning has begun. Vijay, in presence of Luisin, stated that Congress illustrated its own debacle in 2012, while Luisin proposed a united opposition front. Vijay also reiterated that Congress has failed to project itself as a principal opposition party. GPCC President Luisin not only conceded Vijay's point of view but also reminded the Fatorda MLA of his Congress roots, hoping for a reunion.
Vegetable and fish vendors at Gandhi Market were felicitated on Monday, but it proved to be a platform for Congress President Luisin Falero and Vijay Sardesai to tune their political wavelengths.
काँग्रेस निवड नाशिल्ली म्हणून काँग्रेसी कळत आली अजून मेरेन मानपाक तयार ना की आम्ही चूक केला म्हणून तुमकां असो मत मानलो की 5 फॅमिलींनी 33% तिकिट्यो खाल्यो पूण आतां म्हाका दिसता की चिंतन शिबीर बी केल्ली आहा इंट्रोस्पेक्शन म्हणटा तें करपाक लागिल्ली आहा काँग्रेस भायर बरें जावपाक तांचो प्रेसिडेंट आहा ताका एक्सपिरियन्स आहा आनी एक गरज आहा तर काँग्रेसीक फुडें इंट्रस्ट आहा आमकां सगळ्यांक एक अम्ब्रेला एक प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर एक करपाची म्हाका दिसता कर्तव्य जावन पडटा काँग्रेसीचें
आमी म्हणून चुकल्या हे समजून घेवपाची गरज आहा लोकांची माफी मागपाची गरज आहा आज विरोधी पक्ष मध्ये गोंयांत ना हे एक रियालिटी तो काँग्रेस पक्षाचो MLA न्हू ताच्या आंगांत रोगतांत आनी काळजांत काँग्रेस पक्षाचो मोग आहा पण 9 वर्सांत जाल्यार आमचे मदें वेगळो तर आहा तो विसरून आनी हाका लागून हांव गोंयांत आहा.
Luisin Falero had announced to form a united opposition front comprising of all like-minded opponents such as NGOs, political leaders and independent MLAs fighting against government. Looks like the bugle of united war has begun now with Luisino praising Vijay Sardesai in public. Savio Dias for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.